Everyone, the last thing I'm here to show you about with Turnitin is how a student's going to submit an assignment. So I'm going to go to this narrative draft one. And then I can see that it's the narrative draft assignment. And I'm going to click upload submission. And I can choose a file. So I'm just going to choose a file from anywhere. I'll pull it from our online learning. And then I'll do this. Oh, it's in use, so I can't do that one. I'll do this one. And then it's going to say to me that I can upload and review. So while it's uploading, now I can review what it looks like. So that's the part that I'm in now, and make sure that it looks like how I want to turn it in. So that is how I want to turn it in. But if it's not, I can just cancel submission. I can also preview my submission, so that gets rid of the box. It makes it more in depth. So I can do that. I can go to my different pages, make sure that they make sense. I can close my preview now. It's what I want to do. It tells me my word count. And then I can submit it to turn it in. And now that that's complete, that's how easy that was. Now I can resubmit my paper because it's still open. So if I didn't like what I did, I could resubmit it. I can download the paper. So if I download it, it's going to pop up in the original Word document that I downloaded it in. If I want the receipt, I'm going to click that. And while it's populating, it will download its receipt. And then I can pull the receipt up, and that's the PDF I'm going to get. And it's going to show me like the first page of it, and I can see all that I did. So that is how your students would submit for a Turnitin paper.